Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing your app and Firebase project so notifications can flow. Open Android Studio, confirm Google Play services are available, and create a Firebase project. Register your Android package name exactly. Once done, download the Google services. JSON file and drop it into the app/module root. This wires your app to Firebase. Make sure to add the Firebase Gradle plugins and sync the project. This is the minimal, actionable setup that lets you move into messaging configuration immediately. Now you configure Firebase Cloud Messaging and implement code that handles tokens and messages. Add the Firebase Messaging dependency, apply the Google Services plugin, then create a Firebase Messaging service subclass. Override on new token to send tokens to your backend, and on message receive to show notifications. Also implement an API call or cloud function to send messages. Make sure to request runtime notification permission on Android 13 and above, and create notification channels for Android 8 and newer so notifications appear properly. Finish by sending and testing notifications from the Firebase console or your server via the FCM API. Include the device token and payload data. When you test, verify the app received on new token and that on message received displays a notification using the correct channel. If nothing arrives, first confirm the token matches and network is available, then check battery optimizations and notification permissions. If still failing, inspect Logcat for Firebase errors and ensure your package name and Google services. JSON match exactly, that usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.